Welcome to KC Flower Farm here in Olde West Chester. We are a full-service florist with do-it-yourself wedding packages. Here at KC Flower Farm, our mission is to make flowers affordable for everyday living versus just special occasions. I live here in the township, so this was a perfect spot to start our business. This building just felt like home. I grew up on a farm in Indiana, and when I walked into the building, it was all the space I wanted to do my workshops, to have friends in. It really feels like home here when you visit our flower shop. We are available for private events, corporate team building events, and do-it-yourself wedding packages. We will host them for you and teach you along the way, and you will go home with a beautiful flower arrangement. What we want to do is to have brides be able to come in here and afford what they can afford, have beautiful flowers on their budget. Just do it yourself, let us help you as much as we can, do the pieces that are a little bit more difficult, and have fun doing it. Not your average florist. We are unique, customized, no two pieces are alike. Come find us at KC Flower Farm here in the old 1000 Words Photography building in downtown West Chester. The best way to check us out is through our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and our website, KC Flower Farm.